First, you wash your face clean. Then you apply the Imperial Aqua Essence onto cleansed face. It has antioxidant protection and long-term hydration, triggers the production of new collagen, improves elasticity and healthy cell growth. It's non-sticky and easy for the skin to absorb. Next, you apply Imperial Aqua Silk. It reinforces, nourishes, and restores the skin's barrier system, minimizes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, conditions, lightens, and brightens skin to a clear, even complexion. Dr. Keith Chrysler's Hydra Sensi Imperial Aqua Silk and Essence make my skin feel soft and toned, minimizes my fine lines, and gives my complexion an overall glow.